Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disband a group in band. Only the group leader admin can disband a band group. If you are not a leader, you will not see the delete option. First, open the band app on your phone. Once the group opens, tap on the setting icon. This will open the setting menu. In the setting, tap manage group or group setting, then tap disband group. Band will now show you warning message. This message tells you that the group will be permanently deleted. All posts, photos and chat will remove. If you are sure, tap confirm or OK. That's it, your band group is now disbanded and deleted. Members will no longer be able to see or access the group. And that's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.